थैंक यू। ऑल राइट, नमस्ते जयंती जी। आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे पॉडकास्ट में आने के लिए, जिसका नाम है सुरक्षित ऑफिस वापसी। आपका समय के लिए बहुत बहुत दिल से शुक्रिया।
Thank you so much, Diksha, and it's good to be here on a Sunday afternoon, maybe morning afternoon, yeah.
True. अमेजिंग। चलिए जयंती जी, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। आपको क्या लग रहा है अभी का सिचुएशन कैसा है? अगर आप हमारे व्यूअर्स, दर्शकों के लिए शेयर कर सके, व्हाट इज द करंट सिचुएशन दैट वी आर डीलिंग विद राइट नाउ? ओवर टू यू जयंती।
So, right. So if you actually see everybody's now getting vaccinated, I think the major focus for the government and for everybody is about vaccination and as much as possible. And also because the numbers have now dwindled down, thanks to God for that. Everybody, the economy is showing up. People are excited. I wouldn't say excited as such, but people are wanting to sort of get back to their full swing. Probably last time it was a big, last year, it was a little bit of people were grappling with what to do. But this saal, somehow organizations have gone ahead with things. Currently, it's all about how to return back to office. So some of them already started off depending on the kind of organization that you are. So and some of them are still looking at and deciding vaccination karke kiya jaye, ya before vaccination. So this is what it's about: return to work. Things are looking up. People are wanting to travel. So a lot of mental health. So all of that is there.
जी, perfect जयंती, thank you for explaining that. इसी से क्वेश्चन आता है, why it is important to come back to office? सुरक्षित ऑफिस वापसी कितना जरूरी है और क्या हम लोग मिस कर रहे हैं वर्क फ्रॉम होम कल्चर में? Over to you, जयंती.
Right. So I would say maybe just as a one-liner before that, I understand your question is very pertinent as to why it is important to come back. But yes, people have got so used to, last 1.5 years with the kind of routine that they have set. And this is something that was, supposed to be like a perk. Very few people used to get. People have gotten used to it as a normal thing. So now for people to get back to work, it is certainly, I would say, it's a mixed kind of a bag. So, एक तो है कि a lot of people actually want to come back because it's also about mental wellness, being glued to the screen. All the work is happening on the computer. Mental health is important. Change of scene is important. जो routine होता है ना कि I would say from the people side of it. So there are two aspects. One is people side of it, another part is organization part of it as to why it is important. Change of scene ho jata hai, you go and talk to people, ventilate and all of that stuff. And of course, from organization point of view, it's very important in the sense innovation. A lot of innovation and all that happens when people are together, they are face to face, meetings hoti hain. It's easy to manage. Remote tools are there, but many places, aapko pata hai, jaise na meeting ho rahi hoti hai, and then sometimes it just happens that at the most opportune time, it just gets disconnected and all of that stuff. So remote tools are good, but still many times it's a challenge. Ye Zoom nahi chal raha, ya internet nahi kar raha, and sorry, I can't be in the meeting. So all that stuff happens. So, and of course, a lot of things happen as a water cooler talk that you say, So at work, that happens. Discipline to a large extent, it's one is able to manage at work. Another very important thing is, which maybe people are not talking about it, but काफी managers ना थोड़ा suspiciousness भी होता है कि भाई घर में काम हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है कि क्या हो रहा है ये पीछे लगा दिया है ये this virtual background, are they in Goa or are they in Delhi or Bombay or Bangalore or whatever place. So and another thing is when you're face to face is it's easy to nurture managers जैसे trainees हैं या if you look at a lot of internships are happening and a lot of juniors, they're all it's happening remotely. But when you're in person, it's easy to groom and nurture people. So these are the important, significant parts of why people should be together. I mean, there's a plus point. Of course, there are other parts of it also, other side of it also. So as you asked me, this is what I thought I could share this with you.
Superb. I love those pointers. वो आपने जो virtual background वाला बोला ना, I really resonate with that. कुछ
Oh, yes, 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 yes.
पता ही नहीं चलता where are you? So yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I completely
That's right.
resonate. See, there are problems. There will be problems when we talk about work from home. आना तो वापस सबको है ही ऑफिस, चाहे आप टुकड़ों में बुलाओ या आप 100% जाओगे तो आप सही, तो वो उसी पे हम बात करते हैं. तो इसी से क्वेश्चन है थर्ड, which is what are the policies and procedures you think that should be curated in terms of सुरक्षित ऑफिस वापसी. तो वो पॉलिसी और प्रोसीजर क्या होगा जयंती जी आपके नजरों में? वो चाहिए.
So one is very important is that people, as I said, people have gotten used to working remotely and they've been able to manage their work and home very well. So now, getting them back, if you actually look at a survey which has talked about the percentage of people, so say 40% they say they are unhappy to return. Okay, and 26% they're neutral. Chalo, chalna hai to jayenge, nahi to yahan rahenge. And 34% are happy. So it's like a mixed kind of a thing, right? And also what's been happening is that 5 saal pehle around or so, keval 13-14% work from home generally hota tha. And now work from home has gone up to say around 59-60%. So people know कि ये हो सकता है ऐसे. So now it's also important that so organizations, what they're doing is they are experiencing a lot of attrition. Because क्या हो रहा है कि अभी वापस ऑफिस आने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, तो चलो ठीक है, there is another company which is giving me work from home, remote, so I will go. So organizations have to build a sense of belonging. Organization will have to build a sense of belonging. There are various ways that they can actually do it. People have actually got affected. This COVID has impacted their families. People have lost their loved ones. They themselves are undergoing COVID aftermath, post-COVID. So what are the various ways that you can connect with your people and give them those benefits or extend support? That will actually give them a nice emotional bond. What kind of healthcare are you providing? These things are going to be very important to keep people, attracted. And also when they come back, everything, I would say it's something like, I like this word called the adjacent possible. So when we were actually doing, when we were not able to work from office to virtual, for digitalization, something which could take years, now we got in 6-7 months or 1 year. So the adjacent possible is something that we will need to look at organizations, whether it's about meetings in the office, whether it's the office bonding, whether it's water cooler talk. Reward and recognition is going to be very important because people, again, it's about connecting. HR's role is going to be very important here, talent management, so that employees feel comfortable, they have a sense of belonging, and then they are motivated to come to office. So organizations are also looking at another way. What they're doing is instead of getting everybody to office in one place, they're also looking at small hubs. जैसे अगर गाजियाबाद से बहुत सारे employees हैं, गुड़गांव से बहुत सारे employees हैं. So they're looking at small hubs, where people can come there, 5 minutes, 10 minutes drive, they work there and they go back. So we have to look at adjacent possible. What are the various ways that productivity doesn't go down, it goes up, and we are able to get people to work. Maybe I would say hybrid is something 71% of organizations are looking hybrid, So hybrid is something like, so there is also a little, feedback there that there are some percentage of people bolte hain once a week ghar mein ho to chalega. There are many people who say 2 to 3 days ghar se hona chahiye. So it's about responsiveness to employees, people what they want and to retain them.
Wonderful, जयंती. मेरे दिमाग में एक क्वेश्चन है, आपने belongingness की बात की. So I feel like if I'm working from home, I'm isolated in a certain zone, in my comfort zone, and I lose people, I lose the community, I lose the जो जज्बा होता है together काम करने का. तो isolation और belongingness को हम कैसे सही तरीके से चलाएं और workplace में employees को और benefit का मौका दें? Over to you, Jen.
Yeah. So Diksha, what's happening, which organizations have already started. I mean, it's already been now since last year, many organizations have looked at how to sort of help people work from home. So they have taken care of their expenses. Desktop chahiye, internet ka cost hota hai, all of that. So that's one way. That's one of the very small, I would say, tactical way. And then it's also about how they're actually connecting their, people and their families with each other. So they have various, fun games also. The kind of, programs that they do, like best workplace. So घर में workplace अच्छा सा ही किया. People, because that's a place that they are decorated. So, they have those contests, various kinds of contests, all virtual. So it's already been happening. Virtual contests to keep them motivated, to keep them engaged, and all of that. At the same time, what's also happening is that if you look at it, like say as 58% people say just once a day a week work from home hona chahiye because we want to have a change of place and all that. But घर में भी जब कर रहे हैं hybrid में, it's also about a lot of other things, like many of them say we are employee tracking. Employee tracking is happening. So they say, fine, I'm okay with work from home. You do employee tracking. Some of them have employee tracking thoda ye hai and all that stuff. That's like privacy mein hi ho raha hai. And also, if you look at people who are working from home, uh, leadership is going to be very important, Diksha. Leadership development is going to be very, very important for hybrid. Uh, uh, Number one, so we have to really invest on developing managers. How do you handle your employees? What are the times when you really need to sort of probe and push them, ki kyun meeting mein nahi aaya, whatever, and all, when the person is actually undergoing a lot of, issues. So leadership is going to be important. And also, and that's where a lot of investment is going also in, because many of the times people also, most of the time, I say people leave managers. And if they have only few interactions during this work from home, then it becomes a challenge. Second thing I'll say is that कौन successful होता है remote working में? What kind of qualities are required? You need to have good communication, correct? You have to have good communication. So देखो सारे employees एक जैसे नहीं है. There are some people who are not good in communication. They are good at just doing the work. They can't project all of that. So there are certain things required to be successful in remote working, right? So वो सब चीजें जो हैं, we need to identify and look at how do we train those people. And of course we have already, organizations have been covering that, skilling them as to how to manage remote work. Mental wellness के काफी interventions चाहिए होते हैं, because it's not easy to be glued to the system for सुबह से शाम तक. It really takes a toll. So what are the various interventions that organizations need to do, which companies are already doing? They're actually doing a lot of, whether it's meditation, mindfulness, and various ways how you need to take breaks while you're working on a virtual setup. So all these interventions are certainly very, very important, because now people, what they're saying, मेरे को बड़ा घर चाहिए, क्योंकि मुझे एक room for my wife, one room for me. So naturally, so they're investing, so they want more percentage of hike. Either I will, go to another organization. So those things are actually happening. And I would say attitude has changed of employees. It has become positive now. They feel अच्छा work from home हो सकता है, huh? And we have flexibility. We can take care of work well. We can take care of families well. So attitude has also changed towards the positive, I would say. And of course, so these are the things I can go on and on. And hybrid model may 6 principles are very important for organizations. One is they need to look at what strategy is required. Depending on the kind of people that they have, what suits them. Second is measurement criteria for success for people and business. What are the, other, if the people have to do well, performance अच्छा होना चाहिए and all that in business, measurement criteria needs to be taken care of. Third is cross-teaming, different teams, IT, HR, business, operations. How would you work that out? What are the ways, policies around that you need to look at? Another very important is whatever you're doing, involve the employees. It's finally for them. So when you're working out the policy, you need to look at the involvement of the employees. Another important thing is keep checking employee experience. Have measurement criteria for employee experience. ठीक है, नहीं ठीक है, people are not happy with it and all of that, because they're all virtual, right? I mean, a lot of them are virtual, hybrid mein, a lot of people will be virtual, a lot of people will be in person. So look at that. And one last thing, of course, is continuous improvement. You can't say कि ऐसा हो गया, but then you have to keep checking. And so HR and all the teams have got very important role in managing this part of it. So that's what
Superb, Jayanti.
is,
As
yeah.
of like, I want you to speak more 30 minutes. You are actually giving a lot of good insights. Lot of good insights. Leadership. You talk about the
Right.
training. You talk about being compassionate towards the employees and listen to employees what they want. एक घर में नहीं हो रहा है. One separate sections. I love that reality. Super.
Right. Yeah, I know. And I'll tell you one small example,
जी.
Um, uh, so, uh, so why I'm saying leadership may it's important. Like, for example, one of the employees
Hmm.
had women, lady employees. There was a Zoom meeting for a particular every day, 9 o'clock. But, you know, when you're evolving, okay, earlier we were evolving, but now more or less people have said, but it will keep evolving also because there are post COVID, and then we're talking about the other waves and all of that stuff. How it is going to be, hopefully everything goes well and we don't have other waves. But leadership is going to be very important because we know of some of the managers who want to. We are talking about suspiciousness, right? So that thing always comes in. कि भाई मैं मीटिंग के लिए मैंने बुलाया हुआ है अब ये लोग पता नहीं म्यूट में बैठे हुए हैं कैसे कर रहे हैं क्या कर रहे हैं they keep thinking and all of that stuff and
I
that
agree.
just
I
looks
agree.
natural,
Yeah.
isn't it? So there was somebody who had to take care of the personal thing,
जी.
and they put the video off. Okay, they put the video off, and they were attending to the child or something, so class chal raha, something like that. So she didn't have to say that in front of 10 people, on the call. But the manager got very suspicious. He said, "No, put your video on right now." You know, so you have to be considerate. You have to be empathetic. You can ask the person later on. Call to hui raha hai, discussions to chal hi rahe hain. But it's important that you be considerate, and that is where the leadership EI is going to be very, very important. Emotional quotient, emotional intelligence is going to be very important. Empathizing, self-awareness first of all. कि भैया मैं ऐसा कर रहा हूँ and all of that. So leadership development, soft skills, communication, these areas are going to be very, very important. Another very important area would be decision making. People have to be really be trained to take good decisions because अभी आप virtually काम कर रहे हो तो अगर if you're in physically around you just walk up to your manager and ask, but यहाँ पे you have to take a decision within 1 minute. You can't be reaching out to your manager. Maybe manager is busy with a call or somebody else is busy with a call, dependencies. So decision making is going to be very important. So training on that. So like decision making, communication, general communication. A lot of people don't like to express so much. So all these skills will have to be. So this is a current zone. So there are certain things which people come naturally with, right? And there are certain areas which you have to learn and you have to build on to sort of do well in whatever you're doing. Like a person who may be extrovert, he needs to learn to be introvert because many times he does the best when he's introvert, and same the other side also. So they have to work on their zone of courage to sort of
Absolutely.
build on.
Absolutely. I love the emotional intelligence, empathy, compassion. And ऐसे मत बोल दो भाई camera open कर. It's you. You should
Oh yeah.
be empathetic about
Yeah.
like it's fine. Not now. I can talk to you later on the call. Perfectly. Well,
Yeah.
you should respect other people's privacy. Going forward,
Right.
Janti, what do you think are the tools and technology, especially that a corporate or an organization can look forward when they talk about hybrid or work from home or maybe सुरक्षित office वापसी? अगर office में भी काम कर रहे हैं तो क्या tools techniques आप use कर सकते हो to actually avoid all the touch points? Over to you, Janti.
Right, right. So I will I'll take one step back and I'll just just highlight on few things. Especially now, people are also a little bit of a thing of this digitalization and technology is going to take over and all that. But I would say that it's going to give much more jobs. And if people have got that anxiety, कि भैया job जाने वाला and all that, what's going to be most important? In fact, the jobs are going to be much more now. What's important is to look at how you're going to reskill yourself, how you're going to upskill yourself, and there'll be more and more of jobs. Then another thing is, of course, a lot of things are going to be like, skills in demand. A lot of things are now skills in demand. Fatafat, we need a team of 20 people and get this thing done. So a lot of gig economy is coming in, gig economy, and I would say temporary contracts. The policies and all have to be attuned to permanent than the gig economy crowd. That's the way it's going to be. So there's not going to be anything of a temporary job mila aisa kuch nahi. People are going to love it. They're going to be in Manali, they're going to be in Goa, they're going to be whatever, work for 6 months project, and they want to do meaningful things. So they will be preferring that. So your crowd, your technology, your tools, everything has to be aligned to those things. Now coming to the kind of tools and technology that you're talking about. So typically they're different ones, वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के लिए बहुत सारे हैं, एंड बहुत सारे भी आने वाले हैं, बिकॉज it's a money minter, right? Because right, everybody needs it. But of course you have Zoom and MS Team. A lot of people use that. Zoom तो हम सारे घर में भी aunties, uncles and everybody is using it, right? So
True.
that's something that's popular there. Then instant messaging ke liye you have Slack. Slack is very popular, that people are using it. There are a lot of features out there. Apart from that, you have time tracking. वो तो लोगों को चाहिए होता है कि time tracking and attendance and all that. You know, wherever they're working, are they sitting and watching the latest movie along with the screen on? So all that time tracking, attendance, and work tracking also. You know, so some organizations do it. Some organizations feel nahi privacy mein ja raha hai. It's impinging into the privacy because you're tracking how long he's there on the laptop and stuff like that. It highlights all that.
Absolutely.
And there are a lot of team collaboration tools, which are, Google Workspace is there, of course, MS Office and all of that. Then you have project management tools, which has always been there, but now where it has not been there, they're all sort of, adding on. Because what's going to be important, Diksha, is that with the virtual, your processes have to be very strong. And, India, if you look at many of the organization corporate, a lot of things happen ad hoc. So now it's a wake up time. So processes have to be right. And also the digitalization, whether you like it or not, you have to go for digitalization. So that's what organizations are moving towards. Then, of course, now people have understood the importance of HR tools, HRMS tools. So there's so many, or bahut sare aur bhi aa rahe, because they know employees have to be, connected and all of that. And then there are team discussion ke liye, there's something called Miro, and where you use the whiteboard and everybody discusses on that, like a whiteboard kind of a thing. So there are so many of these kind of tools available. They are the more prevalent ones. Not that I didn't want to actually share the names, because we're not validating or saying anything, but they are just the ones which people use. And there are many other good ones, let me also say. So that's how it is. But one thing what I'm seeing actually is, for talent management, a lot of organizations need to go for HR management, HRMS. So that's something that people feel Excel mein ho jayega, Word mein ho jayega, and all that. But and also mobile tracking.
Absolutely. I think there are a lot of tools and technologies that we can use to manage facilities, HRMS, the payroll, and especially the touch points. Very well said, Jayanti. Okay, moving to the second last question. What do you think, what's your take point when we talk about collaboration? So collaboration hybrid में कैसे होगा, और जब आप घर से काम कर रहे हो तो collaboration के decision making आपने हमें जरूर बताया कि you cannot just jump and call the RM or the lead. He might be busy or she might be busy, but how you feel the collaboration should happen next 6 months? वो कैसे होगा आपके नजरों में? Over to you, Jen.
See, I'll tell you, collaboration has always been important. And I would say one of the programs that we run, which has always been, in demand, is conflict to collaboration. Conflict kahan nahi hota hai. You have two minds, you will always have. And it can be healthy also. Because if everybody keeps on saying yes, yes, then you'll never have different opinions. What is important is, instead of, when you have different opinions, it's going to be important, instead of having conflict, you look at collaborating, तुम्हारा भी थोड़ा ले लेते हैं, हमारा भी थोड़ा ले लेते हैं, like that kind of a thing. So collaboration, certainly you have various collaboration tools, as I said, and people really need to be taught as to how do they actually collaborate. And if you actually look at it, it all flows from the manager, I would say, the leadership. How is a person actually getting their team members to work together? How the work allocation is happening so that the conflicts are less. And of course, we can keep talking about a lot of techniques around how you actually sort of collaborate. But it's again about self-awareness. It's about the leadership training them. I mean, leadership giving the right guidance. अगर झगड़ा करवाना तो आराम से मैनेजर करवा सकता है, so it stems out of how the environment is being built. So, and a lot of interaction needs to be there, structured, planned interaction, so that there's a two-way communication. Wherever there's conflict happening, conflict को end करोगे, collaboration आ जाएगा. That's what it is.
Superb. अच्छा, एक example है, like conflict का example है, where you can probably help me out. What happened in one of the organization? They opted for a facial recognition, and one woman got harassed, and the privacy got leaked, and there was a big conflict. So how we manage? See, every technology has a pros and a con. So we have to take, like, वो अगर मेरी life आसान कर रहा है तो मेरी life मुश्किल भी कर रहा है. Especially women harassments are a top notch, where I am very vocal about privacy in terms of technology privacy and facial recognition privacy. So what do you think, how we manage, अगर मेरा data leak हो जाता है, मेरे साथ harassment हो जाता है, उस particular conflict को मैं workplace पे कैसे manage करूँ? Over to you, Jen.
Yeah, so first of all, see, it depends on what kind of industry we are talking about for facial recognition. Not a lot of organizations are actually, so if the numbers are very high and they know a lot of, people are sort of gaming the system, then they will go for facial recognition. And of course, it's business, so many organizations are doing facial recognition. And if some kind of a harassment, unfortunately, something like that happens, then it's going to be about, same, you use the POSH principle, you have prevention of sexual harassment at workplace. Virtually, I would say when all this thing was happening in the starting, POSH was to logon ne bilkul side kar diya tha. You know, they said, bhai, pehle let us survive, let us know how to work in this environment. So POSH was totally on the side. But now what's happening is now people have learned how to work virtually, remote and all of that. So POSH, these kind of instances are happening, whether it is virtual, because virtual, so I mean, people think virtual mein kuch nahi hoga in the sense kam hoga, but so much of it can happen. You know, you have all these tools, usme you just have, so we are talking about a lot of digital related harassment happening. So again, it'll actually go, every organization needs to have a POSH committee, the person needs to complain. If you're, yeah, so that is a very simple structure, legal system which is there in place. So POSH, all the more now people have to think, because they're all working from their homes. पहले तो होता था HR जाके बात कर लेता था, अरे तुम क्या हो गया, you're not looking very this thing, whatever, you don't seem to be happy, what's happening and all that. यहाँ तो भी virtually है, and what is happening, getting to know that may or may not be, easy. So it's very important to have the check mechanism for the talent management team. Forget about talent management team alone. It's about the manager. Needs to have a pulse of what's happening. If manager के साथ ही problem है, तो उसका, the super boss needs to sort of take care of that. Of course, you have a POSH committee which will take care of all of that. And now digitally, people have become more aware as to how to handle and how to handle the POSH cases, and also be aware that a lot of things can be misused in this forum. So अभी धीरे-धीरे काफी awareness is coming.
धीरे-धीरे awareness हो रहा है, लोग समझ रहे हैं कि digital, usually people only use phone for a few things, but now people are using phone and laptop for a lot many things and joining people. I think that's the right time to talk about privacy and to understand about privacy. Perfect. Jayanti ji, last message to our audience, to our viewers, any motivational message or inspirational quote that you really want us to know and be inspired. Over to you, Jayanti.
So Diksha, what I would say, one thing I personally realized and experienced is the impermanency of things. Things are not just permanent the way you look at it. The things that you hear from your parents, this is the way it happens, as a hota tha, 15 years, 20 years, whatever, and this is how it will go and all that. This pandemic has taught us a lot of those things, right? And God forbid, we should not be having similar kind of debacles. But what's important is to be just prepared. And I realize resilience is one of the most important things one needs to be looking at. Say work from home, whether it is from office or whatever, all of these things, again, I would say my favorite line is adjacent possible. If one particular thing is not happening, if you have to work and this job is very important to you and all of that, look at what is the next possible thing, adjacent possible thing, which suits you and which makes you, feel better of your decision. So I would say resilience is important, adaptability is important, and always look at the adjacent possible to get going with life, instead of saying, "Mujhe pasand nahi hai yaar, kya ho raha hai ye sab?" So like that. So I think that's what is going to be important, keeping in mind the current situation. And of course, we talked about skilling, reskilling, losing of jobs. Not to worry at all. There are a lot of jobs that are going to come in. It's about skilling and upskilling. So that's how we have to adapt and be resilient and keep getting on.
Absolutely. Wonderful said. I mean, just keep on going. Don't never stop. And motivate दूसरों को भी करना है, ऐसे नहीं कि खुद ही हो गए दूसरों को भी पॉजिटिव करना है, दूसरों को भी मोटिवेट करना है, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. किसी को आप उदास देखे तो प्लीज उससे दुख दर्द बांटे और उसको कम बैक टू लाइफ करे. So that's very important. Thank you so much, Jayanti ji, for your valuable time and superb insight.
Thank you. I like your namaste. Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Thanks
Take care, Jayanti ji. Jai Hind. Bye bye.